What's going on, Chris from Fry Roofing? My name's Keaton with Dicio Media right here in Texas, and I'm going to just get right into it. We're going to talk about ranking your website on Google. It looks like you guys are ranking in Austin. I'm actively prospecting San Antonio, so I'm not sure if y'all are interested in San Antonio, if y'all are trying to move that way. I did find your contact information down in that area, though, not just Austin. So hopefully this is still relevant to you guys. If not, just let me know. But let's get right into what are some of the factors that it takes to rank on Google. First and foremost, I do want to say content is king. So your photos, videos, text, are you helpful to the people visiting your website? If someone's looking for roofing in Austin or roofing in San Antonio, are you answering their question? Are you providing that service? Google starts recognizing that and pinging and basically will start complimenting your website on ranking it higher, because you're helping their users, you're helping their customers, and that's ultimately what they want. So content is king. I do want to say another ranking factor that I would just look into on your website right now is getting this site secured. So getting your SSL securities, HTTPS, getting all that secured, and because Google really does like secure websites, especially when you're transferring information, whether it be phone numbers, emails, personal information. So you would see a benefit from getting this site secured. But let's also talk about citations, backlinks and citations. So a backlink is who is referring to your website, another website. It might be a supplier, it might be a directory like Thumbtack, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, what have you. But basically, how many things are pointing back to your website, your GMB or Google My Business for that map listing. It's just going to signal to Google that you're a reliable source, you're a legit contractor in the area, and really boost your ranking up there. Let's look at this tool I use called Ahrefs. So what I've done is I've got a site explorer and I put in fryroofing.com into Ahrefs, and we can see the backlinks, we can see our referring domains, we can see our organic keywords and our organic traffic right here. So we can get an idea. And let's just double check and make sure that's correct without that slash. Okay, so we can look at your referring domains, check them out, and basically this is all the domains that you have pointing at your website, and then we can look at how many backlinks they have. So we can really break it down. We have 4 backlinks off of this domain. We can kind of come in here and check those out. So let's I do want to show you, here's the overview of your website right now. Really getting these keywords in there is the first step. So you want to have roofing San Antonio or those buyer intent keywords in your website or ranking for it, so Google can start ranking you right there. Now, let's look at 2 of these competitors in the San Antonio area that are already doing this and how they're growing their business online. So this is GoTitanRoofs.com. We can see their backlinks, we can see their referring domains, we can see their organic keywords, how many keywords they're ranking for, and they had over 700 people in 1 month visit their website because of these organic keywords. And this is visit their website, not paying for Facebook ads, Google ads. This is just organically online. So let's look at the keywords. What are they ranking for? Where is this traffic coming from? Here's the big keyword that you would want to look at in San Antonio, roofing San Antonio. 500 people in 1 month searched that keyword. 34 KD, so keyword difficulty is how many other websites are trying to rank for it. How competitive is it going to be to rank for that buyer intent keyword? If you wanted to get into Google ads, the cost per click can give you an idea of about how much you would pay for each click, around about $20 per click for roofing San Antonio. And you can see that they're ranked number 1, and they had almost 130 people visit their website in 1 month for 1 keyword. But you can see, just all these variations of these buyer intent keywords relative to San Antonio and roofing. How many people search those keywords per month is right here in that column. How difficult it is to rank for, the cost per click, and then again, we can see the traffic that GoTitanRoofs.com generated to their website. Here's their ranking position. And so you can get an idea of how many of these that they're going to convert to actual customers. It's about, I would say about 10% of all these numbers are actually going to be individuals clicking to call or filling out the email submit form, whether it's a roof inspection, they want more information, what have you. About 10% of this number would be asking for more information or contacting you to get more information. So let's move right along. Let's look at Elite Roofing Solutions. So this one's a little different. This is not their main domain like Titan Roofing is. This is a back page, and they're ranking for roofing in San Antonio on a back page. And let's check that out real quick. So again, we've got their overview. We can see their backlinks, and again, we're just talking about their back page, Roofing San Antonio. We're not even running the whole domain. So backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, 111 keywords, and over 900 people in 1 month visited their website, their back page, for buyer intent keywords, not paying for advertising. So checking theirs out: roofing repairs San Antonio, roof repair San Antonio, roof repairs San Antonio. So you can see all the variations of these buyer intent keywords. Again, how many people searched it per month, the KD or difficulty to rank for, the cost per click, their position in that keyword, and then how many people they're getting to their website in 1 month. So again, about 10% of this volume you would want to equate to, they should be getting about 10% click to calls or email submit forms of real ideal customers ready to buy, actively looking for the services on Google and search engines. So that's what we're talking about, guys. You can see that that's definitely a good number of leads per month that are coming in, and that's organically without having to pay for ads. So even if you stop paying for ads and everything, this organic SEO stuff is going to continue to work for you. Now, once you're number one, you always want to stay number one. There's going to be someone try to outrank you, but it doesn't just go away overnight. This is a long-term solution for building a foundation for a reliable source of leads coming in per month. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you found this helpful. Actually, I want to show you one more thing before I continue going on. We talked about backlinks is really important when it comes to ranking and signaling to Google that you're a reliable website and a reliable contractor in the area. And what I like to do when we're building out backlink profiles is I just click on their referring domains in Ahrefs. We can see all of their referring domains over here. We can see all of their links right here. And so, if this one, they have quite a bit of organic traffic, they've got some good DR right here, 72. So this gmx.com is going to be a really good backlink to go after. And so we would just follow this thing back, figure out where they're getting it from, and try to get it ourselves. So basically, a lot of them are set up an account and then put your listings up there just like any other directory would be. This actually looks like a search engine, or a setup search engine. Anyways, I'm going down a rabbit hole. But the idea is you're going to go through and just find every single one of these Texas Roof Directory. That looks like a brand new one, so it might not even be worth it. But this one looks like it could be worth it. Hub.biz. You go in here, you click on their link. Let's find out where that link's coming from. So there's their link right there. Now, how do we get one? You just go to their main, add a business, click their business, fill out your information, and then bada bing, bada bang, you've got another link coming in. So a lot of them are that easy. There's different types of links, there's blogs and all that stuff, but just showing you an idea or a way that how I build backlinking profiles on websites to signal to Google that you're a reliable source. So hope you found this video helpful. I'm going to end it at that, and please contact me with any questions. You will have that contact information at the bottom of the email. You all have a good day and stay safe.